Good evening, everyone. This is Dr. V. I think by now you all know me. I have shared videos and I have shared so many testimonials with you as well on this group. And I think today I wanted to connect with you because as homeopaths, including myself, I have discussed and I have shown you my successes, in my patients, in my practice in general. But we do not talk very frequently about our failures because uh, we want to remain hopeful, in our cases, in our patients. We want to keep working hard for them. And we do not really exhibit our failures. Nobody does. The only thing that I wanted to talk about today is that every homeopath, be it me or be it another homeopath from another country, is bound to have successes as well as failures. I have been in touch with the stalwarts of homeopathy in India and even abroad, some of them, not very many, but some of them. And I know that for a fact that they have had their failures as well, because we all wish that it was simple. We all wish that it was like traveling from point A to point B, and we'll be able to solve that in every case that comes across in our practice. But no matter how hard we work, sometimes we err because we are only human. And I'll take an example of my own case. I am a thyroid patient and I have a homeopath I work with. Now it's been about 1.5 years I've been working with him. And my TSH level is down, definitely, from 14 to 8 in 1.5 years. But my anti-TPO antibodies are very high and they have still not gone down in this longer treatment. I do not want to name anyone here, but this is one of the very eminent homeopaths in India. And I know for a fact that he is trying to understand my case as well as he can. But the result is a little partial, even in my personal case. And I have decided in my mind that I'm going to wait till 2 years or 2.5 years, and then I'm going to maybe take the help of another homeopath who can, relook at my case, and analyze my case and look at it from a fresh perspective. Because homeopathy is not a one diagnosis, one remedy kind of a therapy, and it is so complicated. Our own journey of health and recovery can be super complicated as we keep talking about individualization all the time. In exactly similar case like mine could have been solved by now, and it would not take this long at all. I personally have shared so many testimonials with you, and I have, tried to show you the successes. But of course, I have my own failures as well. Patients who have not responded after months of treatment. And I do not want them to get stuck with me. I would want them to, get a fresh perspective from another homeopath, and I sometimes suggest that myself. Uh, the point of this video, I guess, is that just in case you are not seeing the result you expected in certain number of months, or when you're working with a homeopath, do not give up on homeopathy. You can give up on the homeopath, no problem. You can give up on me. You can give up, on a certain one particular homeopath because they are not able to see your case in that light that that it needs to be seen in. But do not think that homeopathy cannot help you, because it definitely, most definitely can. And it is a beautiful therapy, and it has treated cases and diseases which are beyond treatment, so-called conventional treatment that we call. They are called incurable diseases, but we have managed them and improved the lifestyle of the patients in so many such labeled incurable diseases as well. So why not the common diseases that come across? Sometimes we have our failures, and because we're only human beings. But remember that homeopathy can help you. You can switch to another homeopath, get a fresh perspective, but not think that that homeopathy is not able to address the problem. I hope you're having a great day, and I'm right here with you for the next 3 to 4 hours. And I expect you to ask your questions, and we can discuss more about homeopathy in the next 4 hours. I look forward to your questions and a great discussion. All right. Bye bye.